It's about to go down. You see it. You see it. Yes. About to cook about 30 something. 30 or so hams, Bam hams. We're prepped up. So now it's time to go in the house and season everything up. Then come back out and light these coals and get it going. We out here sizzling. Let's start doing some checking here. Time for the first flip. Hey. Archie's S&Q smoked and barbecued meats. It's ham time, baby. It's time to do our first flip, I think. So yeah, we bubbling on the edges. Oh yeah.
Yeah, that's a nice first flip.
Oh yeah. Ready, baby. First flip. Come on. This one gonna be boom. Somebody gonna call the fire department, baby. Hey. We out here smoking it up. Over 30 something hams. Archie's S&Q smoked and barbecue meats. Let me let you see what we got. What we doing here. That's my baby right here. I can roll it up and down. I got it low right now over the coals, you know. This one right here, the whole rack slides all the way out. It's steady throwing heat. I gotta shut it back down before I done burn some. That's that fat coming off them shanks. And keep it calm. Fat coming off them shanks, baby. Gotta flip them some. And go over here to this last strip here. Oh yeah. Time for the flip over. That's what we do. See if I can let y'all see what it looks like when they in there resting. Hard to make them bubbles. to make that juice. Right here, I just put my turkey on it. Yeah, baby. Auntie S&Qd, Smoking Barbecue Meats Inc. See y'all in the morning. That's why I don't like to do turkeys, because I be doing too much. I just made me a Thanksgiving butter. To go over my baby. Yes, sir. This is why I don't do turkeys no more, because I do too much. And I'm gonna come back and do this 3 or 4 more times. Good morning. And isn't it a lovely morning? Yeah. Finna start slicing while y'all still asleep.